Presenting the Philips HD7431x20 Coffeemaker. It comes in black color. The Philips Coffeemaker comes in a compact design, perfect for 2 to 7 cups with a power consumption of 760 watts. Featuring aroma twister for optimal and consistent aroma. Detachable filter holder and drip stop to interrupt coffee brewing whenever you like it. It has a plastic body with a glass jug and is easy to maintain with dishwasher-safe parts. The capacity is 0.6 liter and brewing time is 10 minutes. It has water level indication for precise and easy filling. The red LED power switch illuminates when the coffee maker is switched on. The coffee maker weighs 1.62 kilograms and the dimensions are 17.2 by 21 by 27 centimeter. In the box you will find the coffee maker with glass jug. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page.
The Black & Decker Mill & Brew Grinder. The whole bean coffee grinder is housed within the machine for a seamless transition from grinding to brewing. The grinder is combined with a permanent metal filter basket that eliminates the need for paper filters. That means coffee is ground and brewed in the same sturdy assembly that's easy to remove, empty out, and wash by hand. The grind button on the control panel lets you choose from 4 to 12 cups. Based on your selection, the machine will grind the beans to the optimal particle size for brewing great tasting coffee every time. You can also turn off the grinder and use your favorite pre-ground coffee.